Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to this channel. Here, you practice listening to English before bed. This is healing English. The words are simple. The voice is soft. The rhythm is calm. This channel is made for you, to help you relax, to help you sleep, and to help you heal. Tonight's theme is Your Safe Harbor. A harbor is a place where ships rest. A safe harbor is where storms cannot hurt you. Tonight, you will find that harbor inside yourself. The day is finished. You tried. You worked. You carried many things. Now it is time to stop. Now it is time to rest. The waves of life can be strong. They push us. They shake us. Sometimes they make us tired. But every ship has a harbor. Every traveler has a home. And you, my dear friend, you have a safe harbor. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in. Let it out gently. Again, breathe in peace. Breathe out worry. Each breath carries you closer to the harbor. Each breath carries you closer to safety. Imagine you are sailing on the sea. The day has been long. The waves were high. The wind was strong. But now, in the distance, you see lights. You see the quiet glow of the harbor. The water becomes calm. The wind becomes soft. The ship moves gently. You are arriving. You are almost home. In this harbor, there is no danger. There is no storm. There is no fear. Here you are safe. Here you are held. Here you are free to rest. The harbor welcomes you. It says, you are safe now. You can let go. You can sleep. Say good night to your body. Good night to your head. Good night to your eyes. Good night to your shoulders. Good night to your arms and hands. Good night to your heart. Good night to your legs and feet. Your body is safe. Your body can rest in the harbor. Say good night to your mind. Good night to the thoughts of today. Good night to the plans of tomorrow. Good night to the voices of worry. Your mind is safe. Your mind can rest in the harbor. Say good night to your heart. Good night to the feelings of the day. Good night to joy. Good night to sadness. Good night to fear. Good night to hope. Your heart is safe. Your heart can rest in the harbor. Now imagine the harbor lights shining around you. They are soft and golden. They cover you like a warm blanket. They whisper, you are safe. You are loved. You are enough. You don't need to do more. You don't need to try harder. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to rest. Repeat gently in your heart, I am safe now. I am allowed to rest. I let go of the storm. I welcome peace. I am home in my safe harbor. Now picture yourself stepping off the ship. Your feet touch solid ground. The air is calm. The night is quiet. The stars shine above you. You walk slowly to a soft bed waiting for you in the harbor. You lie down. The bed holds you. The harbor protects you. You are home. There are no storms here. There is no fear here. There is only peace. There is only rest. There is only love. Good night, my dear friend. Good night to your body. Good night to your mind. Good night to your heart. You are safe in your harbor. You are loved in your harbor. You are free in your harbor. This channel is here for you, to give you simple English, to give you healing words, to give you peaceful rest. So tonight, stay in your safe harbor. Let the storms go. Let the sea rest. Let yourself sleep. Good night, dear one. Good night.